Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about copyright. Copyright is a legal right that grants the creator of an original work exclusive rights to determine whether the work can be used by others. These rights frequently include reproduction, use as a derivative work, distribution, and such rights as attribution. These exclusive rights are not absolute, but are restricted by limitations or exceptions to copyright law, such as fair use. The length of copyright varies by country, with the average being an expiration of about 75 or so years after the creator dies. The goal of copyright is to encourage the development of content and innovation while providing a protection to the copyright holder of the work so that they can potentially monetize the work. Copyright exists upon creation or when it is in a fixed or tangible form. Registration is not required for copyright, but registration does add a level of additional protection for potential legal remedies if the copyright is violated. The process for registration varies greatly by country. Part of the conversation in recent years regarding copyright involves the Creative Commons. Creative Commons is a license that is applied to a work that is protected by copyright. It's a way to share copyrighted work. Creative Commons is a nonprofit organization that provides licensing options that creators can use to license that work. It allows creators to share their work without giving up control. Copyright has played a valuable role in developed and developing societies, but not without strong opinions. Leave a comment below about your thoughts on copyright in your area and on Creative Commons. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related issues. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the link to see my video about Creative Commons. Or make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.